second decal that I purchased on Amazon. It is for the steering wheel. Now, I don't know if you could tell, it is vinyl. I really do like the vinyl decals. The only bad thing is that it is sensitive to put on. So when you're putting on decals, always read the instructions, always have patience. With vinyl, it stretches, but you have to have some heat to it, or you could either do the wet method so it doesn't crease, it doesn't, rip. In other words, it doesn't come out the way mine did. It is in my budget. Like I said, these decals that I purchased are not so bad, and they are from this one, and the other one I'm about to show you are from Amazon. So I'm pretty sure it comes with free shipping, but always check if you're purchasing it on Amazon or on eBay or whatever other website you use. Now, the other decal I have is for the glove compartment. Again, this decal is not vinyl. I'm pretty sure you can tell it's more of a flat color, but I appreciate it because, again, I'm not here for looks. I'm not here to show off. I'm not here to do something that nobody's ever done before. Now, these decals, I purchased it. I'm pretty sure I could have found a different texture on this one, like vinyl or something glossy looking. But again, it's just the glove compartment. It's not something everybody's gonna look at. It's only just me, so the things that I put on here is just for my benefit. It's not, again, I'm not showing off my car. I'm not here to try to do something nobody's ever done before. I'm just giving y'all info of the things you can do with what you have. Now, this is also budget worthy. Again, you can also look for packages. I haven't found any where you could buy all this set, which someone should come up with it, that way it'd be faster. I had to look for them, and I looked at other videos on how some people have done it. Again, you have the option of coloring this one in. I don't recommend coloring it in because the letters are not that big, so you would probably go with the decals. Now, when you're doing this, again, you have to have patience. You have to figure out the best way to put these in because you have to insert them in. You have that little gap. Even though it's not that big of a gap, it's still a gap in there. So toothpick, Q-tip, the wet method, or just simply read the instructions and you're good. Like I said, the people that have been in my vehicle don't really notice it. I think I did put it on my Snapchat, and that's probably the only reason I've gotten compliments on it. Again, these little details that I'm showing you are nothing fancy. They're in a budget. They're in a friendly state where I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people that have done it before. For me, this was my first time. So yeah, hope it's useful or it's informative for other people who, like me, did not know you could do this. As you can see, I did find a package for these decals. This is actually a better buy because you would get the same texture and the same color. Now, I didn't do it this way. I bought them all differently, all from separate companies, I guess you could say. Learn from my mistakes. As you can see, my glove box is a flat color because I did purchase a matte blue. So just always read what you're buying. It doesn't take that long. Have patience. make your truck look the way you want it to. Now on the tailgate, I did purchase these letters for the Tacoma. I recommend this specific one only because it's different. The letters are thick. If you put your hand over it, you will feel the texture. It's not the smooth decals that everybody buys, but again, there are different options, so just look at which one you want. Now also on the tailgate, on the handle, I purchased this, which I thought was really cool because it came with the exact color of my truck. So the video doesn't do it justice, but it's shiny, it's glossy. I don't know which word you want to use, but I love it. I love the fact that it's this color. I love the fact that it's vinyl, even though it was a little difficult to put on. This is just for my benefit again, but I love looking at my tailgate. I love noticing this specific detail on it. So yeah, now I gotta go cut some grass, so bye.
Something about a truck in a farmer's field, a no trespass sign, and time to kill.